I've done my master, I still keep learning. I do online courses from time to time because I see that as a lifelong thing. My name is Mei-Chi, and originally I'm from Hong Kong. Currently, I'm working as a marketing manager at a medical app company. I did an MBA in international marketing, and I picked IU because it offered an option that I could do my first semester online, so that that time I could still work in Hong Kong for one semester while studying, and then I arrived here to catch the second semester. I found a startup, so actually book a local is already the call to action. For those who do not already speak German, they can book a local on our platform as translator, for example, to go to Bürgeramt or go to the immigration office to translate. I think education is important to everyone at different stages. So it's not just the particular time that you think you're in the university that you have to study. It's important that we look at it like it's a lifelong thing. So what I like about IU is that first, the professors are really, really great. They were super prepared and the lectures are really well planned. I could also say that I was surrounded by students who were really driven. And I would say that the student support was also great, that I felt like things are arranged, visa and stuff. I didn't need to worry about that too much. I would totally recommend IU to other students, especially when they're international students. It opens a lot of doors if you want to start your career here. You're prepared. First, you have the flexibility to pick the courses, to study, and then most of them are super practical, and you also have a close relationship with the professors who can give you advices either on your career or even like about integration in Germany, which is something I would say super important to international students. I know it's never easy to make a change, like to move from your home country to another place, or to change from working full-time to studying full-time, but I've done it, and I think it is one of the best decisions I've made in my life. And the program at IU opens a lot of doors for me. It was not difficult to find a job afterward. It was easier than I have expected. And I could see the same for lots of students of my year. And that's why I can totally recommend this to anyone who wants to make a change in their life.